Hello everyone, my name is Benedetto Ielpo. I am an hepatobiliary Italian surgeon working since a long time in Spain, currently at Barcelona. As you can imagine, hobbies are really important to relax after such long HPV surgery. There are a couple that really bring me a great joy and relax. The first one I would like to share is cooking. I grew up, in Italy, in a very little village at the south, Trecchina, where all my family belongs. And as you can imagine, my childhood was full of those typical traditions of the south of Italy, and among them, cooking is one of the most important. Cooking a very typical Italian dishes bring me back directly to my childhood in all places where I lived and where I still have great friends and relatives. Preparing a typical lasagna, as my mother and grandmother teach me, is not only cooking, it is much more. It is some of also embrace again my mother. It is also embrace my grandmother, even if she passed away a long time ago. Preparing a pizza for me means evergreen a great time together with my Italian friends. All these give me a great relax, peace, and of course, refuel me a lot after a long wait with the pancreatic and liver surgeries. When I am on call, even if tired and stressed, thinking that soon after the hospital activity, after being on call, I'll go after the ingredients, really make me relax quite a lot, really support a lot my mental and physical wellness. Cooking gives me also the great chance to share a great moment together with my family at home. I teach my 3 kids how to prepare a nice Italian cake or how to prepare the masa, the pastry for the pizza. We share a lot of time together doing these things. And after cooking, I love football as well. I prefer play football. I really love it. So my day in the week to play it with my friend is on Tuesday in the evening. That is my holiday. That is my great moment of the week. Playing football is something that really is really important for me. It's something like stop thinking. It's just turning off my brain. I don't think to anything else except think how to do a nice assist or to make the greatest goal of my life. And all these activities with friends, family really helped me a lot to discover myself, to understand what really matters in the life. And of course, make me feel better, make me more confident to overcome all the difficulties, complications, stress that we encounter during our fantastic work being a surgeon. I suggest to all of you to have an hobby, a passion to follow. It is paramount to have the time for yourself only. It will convert you in a better person and, of course, a better surgeon as well.